In this video, we're going to show you how to add an image field to a custom module using the Divi Module Builder plugin sold on diviplugins.com. If you're following along from the previous video where we were creating the price drop module, we've already added a text field for the product title. In this video, I'm going to add a subtitle text field, and then I'm also going to add the image field. So we're going to go back to our module editor, and I have the price drop custom module open. Here's our product title text field. I'm going to click on add another field, and we're going to call this product subtitle. For the identifier, I'm going to use product underscore subtitle. And then the description, I'm going to add enter your product subtitle. This will also be a text field, so we'll leave that. And we don't want a default text, but we do want to add design and advanced tab checkboxes so that the user has font control and CSS options. We're going to click on update. And this will add our product subtitle as a shortcut. So I'm going to add the subtitle as an H5 below the title. We're going to enter in our product subtitle. Let's give it a class. We're going to do the same thing similar to the title, but we're going to change it to subtitle. And again, this is DP underscore field underscore the field identifier. And that is so that the design tab and the advanced tab know which element to apply those changes to. And we'll go ahead and add our image tag. So let's come back over here to add another field. So we're going to call it product image, product underscore image for the field identifier. Add your product image in the description. And we're going to change the field type to an image. For the default image option, if you check this box, the default image will become a SVG image that comes preloaded with Divi. So we'll check that. We'll show you how that works. And then we also want to add advanced tab to this image field so that the user can add any CSS they want to the image. In the HTML output, we're going to add the image over here. We'll add an image tag, and we'll update the module so that we have our image shortcut button. And there's our shortcut. We'll click on that, and that'll add the source to the product image element. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add a class equals dp underscore field underscore product underscore image. And that is so that the advanced tab knows to apply the CSS changes to this image element. We're going to click on update. And now if we come back over to our page that we have the module installed on, refresh, and now we have a product subtitle and a product image. So for the subtitle, I'll say first product subtitle. For the product image, I'm going to leave that blank for now so that you can see the placeholder. And then if we go to the design tab, you'll see we have product subtitle. And if you go to the advanced tab, we should have a product subtitle and a product image. Let's go ahead and add a border. 1px solid black. Save. And let's preview our changes. So there we have our title, our subtitle, and now our image with the placeholder image that comes with Divi. Let's go back and upload our own image. Preview the changes. And now the default image, placeholder image, is replaced with our custom image. In our next video, we'll be adding the sale ends 9/29/2018. This is a field that we're using PHP to grab the current date And then we also have a toggle, a yes/no toggle that we're using to let the user decide whether or not they want to display this field or not. So we'll be using, in the next video, we'll be showing you how to add a yes/no toggle and also how to use a custom PHP function in a custom module. If you want to follow along with these videos, you can download the Divi Module Builder plugin from diviplugins.com. And again, we'll have this module available on the website as well. Thank you for watching.